When you've loaded your paper onto the Wrap and Go dispenser, it's really important that tension is applied to the roll as you start wrapping. This way the paper expands and the cells can interlock, so it gives you a protected barrier as you wrap. To do so, all you need to do is adjust the toggle and bring it down to lower the bar onto the roll. Feed your paper underneath the 2 silver spindles and start pulling underneath. What you'll notice is the paper will start expanding as you bring it out. That's the key to look out for, the expansion in the paper. You can adjust the tension on the machine by rotating the toggle to either apply or reduce the amount of tension that's on the roll. To start wrapping, take your product, place it in the center of your paper, pull the paper apart so you can see the expansion, wrap from the center, and you can pull the paper apart as you do so. For any excess material on the sides, to add additional protection, you can fold that paper inside to give it another protective barrier. For speed, as opposed to things like bubble wrap where you might have to use tape, you can pull the paper apart and scrunch the ends in. So unlike bubble wrap, I don't have to use tape, so I've eliminated an extra process in my operation, and so your customer is getting a more visually appealing and sustainable unboxing experience.